Welcome to Blaze. Convert ordinary bulb to smart and intelligent. Let's check the features of the product first. Blaze have inbuilt human detection sensor and light detection sensor. The human detection sensors could analyze the human movement and could act accordingly. That is, it can switch on the device in the presence of human body and switch off the device in the other time. Blaze have a low light detection, so that the device gets switched on in low light or in night mode. The device won't get switched on during the daytime even if there is a little human movement. Here, it's a pretty intelligent device, so that it starts working only if it's needed. Yes, you could save your electricity 20% more than the present. Can we save a bit for the future? Let's check the settings now. Range adjustment knob. We could change the sensor range just by turning the range adjustment knob. That is, we could adjust the detection range from 1 meter to 8 meters. Time adjustment knob. Here is the time adjustment settings where you could easily set the time. That is, you can decide how long the light needed to get turned on. Minimum time limit is 20 seconds and maximum time limit is 9 minutes. Let's check the installation of the device. Holder position from the floor. You need to fix the device from 2.1 meter to 2.3 meter height from the floor, so that they will be the best detection. You should take care of the holder orientation. Do follow the instructions from the video. You need to place the holder in parallel to the movement to have the speedy and accurate detection. It's just this. Turn on your lights. You can fix the LED bulbs from 0.5 watts to 14 watts here. Let it be smart via Blaze. We can use this in bathrooms, kitchen space, corridors, and even in the car parking, etc. Blaze is available in market now and not just in Amazon and Flipkart.